program was a good one because about 75% of the syllabus was covered within the summer vacations, and it helped me study the course within the summer vacations.
I recommend UT to my juniors because covering the course and syllabus beforehand itself gives you a very good, encourages you to perform well in your boards. Apart from that, the teachers were quite well and friendly with every one of us.
Vacation batch was great. It helped me to clear my concepts within the summer vacations, and I could as my all concepts were clear. I could I could really understand very nicely in the school.
I'm Karthik Pandey. I had joined vacation batch and test series program at UT. My experience at UT was very good. The teachers were very good. They taught well. They were informally strict, and I enjoyed at UT very much.
So I'm Omkar Gupte from DAV Public School, Airoli. I joined the vacation batch and test series program in Universal Tutorials. In my experience, all the teachers were very affable and cordial and made sure that there was no deterrent in my success of the board exams.
I'm Khushbu from DAV Public School, Airoli. I'd enrolled in UT for vacation batch and test series. The teachers out here are damn supportive and friendly. UT has helped me excel in my 10th board exams.
And I joined UT for both the vacation batch and the test series. The vacation batch was very useful, and the teachers were very cooperative, and they explained all the concepts very well. And then when school started, everything seemed so easy and all the concepts were clear.
My name is Raghuttam. I'm an UPJ school student. I joined UT for vacation batch and test series. Here teachers are very good. They taught us very well.
I'm Vaishnavi Pathak. I'm a student of Ryan Santara. I enrolled for UT vacation batch as well as test series. Both of them were really very good. I really enjoyed throughout my 10th standard, and I was able to secure 94.6% only because of UT and my school teachers. So I really thank them from the bottom of my heart.
Hello, I'm Atishay from UPJ School, Nerul. I had enrolled for the UT branch. I had enrolled in UT for the vacation batch and also for the test series. The vacation batch was awesome, provided a great atmosphere for me for studying. UT was a great institute. It always helped me to solve my doubts, everything it cleared. I'm really very thankful to UT, all my teachers, and especially Mr. Anubhav Sinal sir. He's a great man, and because of his institution, I've secured great marks.